Hi, this is John with WTI, and I just wanted to complete my whole skincare routine. But I already had the cleanser, I had the scrub, I had the PM moisturizer. So I wanted to find one that it was going to be good and it's not going to be too heavy on my skin. So I found this one from CETAPHIL that this is a daily AM moisturizer. And the one of the things that I like from it is just like how soft and light it feels on my face. I don't like to put too many things that is gonna. That's why I don't use too many of the sunscreens in the market sometimes because I feels it like a heavy sensation. So, but this guy here is gonna keep your face hydrated and it's gonna lock in all the moisture whenever you go out of your bathroom and you still have a barrier of moisture, water. You put this moisturizer after it's gonna lock in this moisture and it's gonna hydrate your skin perfectly. So if you're actually trying to step up your face or skincare routine, this is a must. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point.